everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Pinay Prenay in South Australia. Today's date is the 18th of May 2024 at anong oras na ba? Time check, it's 5:53 ng gabi. Ito po yung parcel na na-receive ko from Amazon. Actually, matagal ko na itong in-order pero nakalimutan kong i-unbox ito guys. Magbubukas po tayo kung ano itong aking in-order. Dito na lang. Kakat natin para I can reuse the bag for next time. And here it is. Ta-da! So if you're wondering kung anong ginagawa ko sa aking mga videos guys, kasi yung phone ko, hindi siya masyadong malaki yung storage capacity. And what I'm doing is, tina-transfer ko yung mga videos ko sa aking cellphone to this, with the use of the laptop of course. I just connect this to the laptop and then transfer all my files from, well not files, mostly mga videos or photos na I took from my phone to this one. So this is a hard disk drive. Ang capacity nito ay, where's the capacity? 4 terabytes. Oh, ayan, malaki na siya guys. Kasi yung una ko, actually dalawa na yung na-order ko. Ang una ko kasi 2 terabytes lang. But this time, marami na kasi ako mga videos na nakuha. And as you know, na pag videos, it will take up so much room sa inyong storage device. So, ito yung maganda. I decided to purchase this 4 terabytes hard disk drive. It's a portable storage device that you can carry everywhere you go. Especially yung mga videos na malaki, yung full videos talaga. I mean, yung longer form videos na ina-upload ko sa YouTube. I also keep a copy of those just in case na wag naman sana ma-hack yung aking account, no? But we never know in the future. So just in case na yun yung mangyari, fingers crossed, wag naman. I mean, touch wood, wag naman. So, this is what it looks like inside. I-attach ko yung description sa aking YouTube account. And I can't remember how much I paid for this. Kasi nga, matagal ko na itong na-order. But I will check my Amazon account. Nandun yung history of my purchases. So, lalagay ko din yan sa aking video once I already edit my video. Paano ba ito bubuksan? I'm gonna cut up here. Buti strong yung matalim yung gunting ko. Oh, ayun. Say doble, siya, packaging. Ibig sabihin na it's new. Sealed talaga. It's very sealed, Jud, ha? Sealed Jud na siya. So, it comes with the cable that you can use. Hindi siya masyadong mataas. Ganyan lang siya kahaba. And medyo mabigat siya guys. Packaging is, what's this one? 0.38 kilograms. It's 0.38 kilograms ang bigat. So in grams, ano yan? 380 grams. Imagine nyo na lang yun. 380 grams on your palm. Okay, si Scarlett pala nasa friend niya ngayon nag-play date. Iba talaga dito sa Australia guys. If you wanna have a play date with someone else's child, yung anak mo, dapat by appointment pa. Kailangan talaga i-inform in advance. Kasi hindi po pwedeng just go there and knock at the front door and say, hey, can we have a play date? Hindi ka guys sa Pilipinas na mga kapitbahay lang yung anak mo. Kami nga dati, wala kaming TV sa bahay. So, we go to the neighbor's house para makikinood ng TV. Kasi wala kaming kuryente sa bahay dati. Okay guys, yan ang ating unboxing for today sa ating Amazon parcel. At I can't wait to transfer all the videos dyan sa aking phone kasi it's low on storage na. So, I'm gonna do it tonight. And a friend of mine also said to me that she gonna download some videos for me. Some movies for me. So, this is perfect kasi malaki yung storage capacity niya. So, marami daw siyang dina-download ng mga movies sa kanyang computer at she wants to give some to me. Ayun. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!